Welcome Satsbusters to question 2, and this is all about a team shirt and colours. Now we all know the wonderful colours that are on some of the football shirts. Some people might have seen the Nigerian shirt in the most recent World Cup of 2018. Apparently they all sold out. But anyway, Adam chooses the colours for a new team shirt. The shirt's got 2 colours, but there are 4 colours to choose from: yellow, blue, white and red. Now we've already been given some combinations that we could have, and we've got to find the missing 2 combinations. So let's see what we've got. Well, the first colour that we get told about is yellow. So what we've got here is we're then going yellow and blue, which is that one, yellow and white, which is that one, and yellow and red, which is that one. So there's nothing else that can go with yellow. So we basically started with yellow and then said everything else that can go with yellow. But what we haven't done is then done everything that can go with blue. So now we're going to go to the second colour on the list, which is blue. Okay, so we could have, we're not going to go blue back to yellow because we've already got that there. So what we can do is go blue and white, which we've already got there, but then blue and red, which we haven't got. So we haven't got blue and red. So that's one of the missing colours that we can do here, blue and red. Now finally, we will have white as the first colour. Now we can't go white and yellow because that's the same as that one, and we can't go white and blue because that's the same as that one. But what we haven't got yet is white and red, and we don't actually have white and red yet. So white and red is the final combination. Just to recap what we did there is we started with yellow first because that was first on the list, and we did everything with yellow. So yellow and blue, yellow and white, yellow and red. Then we went to the second thing on the list and did anything that we hadn't yet got. So we went blue and white, blue and red. We did not do blue and yellow because we already had that there. Then we went to the third thing on the list, which was white, and we ignored anything we'd already done, and we'd already done yellow and white and blue and white, but we hadn't done white and red. So that was the remaining combination. Now what we're not going to do is go to red, which is the last thing on the list, and then go with yellow, because red and yellow is the same as yellow and red. Red and blue is the same as blue and red, which is what we got there, and red and white is the same as white and red, which is what we got there. So now we have actually got all 6 combinations.